Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut, going through the motions without any real progress? It's a common feeling, but it doesn't have to be your reality. With MidJourney V6, you can take control of your journey and make real changes in your life. By adding text now, you can unlock a whole new level of self-discovery and growth. Whether it's journaling your thoughts, setting goals, or simply reflecting on your day, adding text can help you stay focused and motivated. But how do you do it? It's simple, just start writing. Write about your dreams, your fears, your successes, and your failures. Write about what inspires you and what holds you back. By adding text to your journey, you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your path forward. So why wait? Try MidJourney V6 today and see the difference adding text can make in your life.
Thanks for tuning into TechScribe Media. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful tech reviews, in-depth tutorials, and the latest industry updates. Remember, tech knowledge is power, so stay curious and keep exploring with us here at TechScribe Media. Until next time, tech enthusiasts, keep innovating, keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.